Okay, let's welcome Maurice Papuas for his report.
So, a pleasant morning to everyone. First, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our principal in Just NHS, Sir Leonard John Martin Libaway, sir. Especially to our beloved teacher in Oral Com, Sir Victor Libaga Mumu, of the Sunday Video, sir. And to all fellow students and all master teachers, once again, good morning. By the way, I'm Maurice Papuas III, the last quarter of the 5th batch. And now, I'm going to discuss my topic and listen properly. Okay? So my topic is about strategies in organizing, delivering an impromptu speech, and some useful tips in effective impromptu speech delivery. So when we say impromptu speech, it's a speaking, delivering a speech without prior preparation, requires a blend of quick thinking, organization, and effective delivery. So here's a breakdown of strategies to excel in this challenging yet rewarding communication skill. Number one is organization. Structuring your thoughts on the fly. This core of a successful impromptu speech lies in its structure. Even without preparation time, a well-organized speech is more impactful than a rambling one. Here are some frameworks. A. The PrEP method. This simple yet powerful method provides a clear framework. Point. State your main point concisely beginning. Reason. Give one or two reasons supporting your point. Example. Illustrate your reasons with concrete examples. This makes your points relatable and memorable. Letter B. Storytelling. This is storytelling. If the topic allows to structure your speech as a narrative, accompanying stories inherently provide structure while engaging the audience. Ensure the story directly support your central message. For C, categorization. If the topic has several aspects, categorize them logically. This could be chronologically by importance or by type. Clearly separating categories maintains coherence. For D, problem solution. If addressing a problem or issue, frame your speech around outlining the problem and then suggesting a solution. This provides a logical structure and a clear purpose. So, number 2, delivery. Present with confidence and clarity. Effective delivery is crucial, even in impromptu situation. Consider these points. A. Start strong. Grab the audience attention immediately. A captivating opening line sets the tone. For B. Maintaining eye contact. Connect with your audience, maintaining eye contact. This builds rapport and contrast. For C, speak clearly and concisely. Use simple language, avoiding jargon. Speak at moderate pace, enunciating clearly. For D, use gestures. Natural hand gestures, emphasize points and increase engagement. Avoid excessive or distracting movements. For E, manage nervousness. Take a deep breath before starting. Focus on your message and connect with the audience. Pauses are acceptable. They allow for thoughts and audience comprehension. Last, F. Embrace the unexpected. Impromptu speaking involves embracing uncertainty. Don't be afraid to adapt if a relevant idea arises. Think on your feet. Number 3 is preparation, even for impromptu. While impromptu speeches are unprepared, proactive steps enhance your ability. So, A. Broaden your knowledge. A wide knowledge base provides more material to draw upon. For B, practice regularly. Engage in impromptu speaking exercises such as impromptu debates or casual discussion or varied topics. Lastly, C, learn from others. Observe skilled speakers, paying attention to their organizational techniques and delivery style. Now let's proceed for some useful tips and effective impromptu speech delivery. No. Effective impromptu speaking hinges on a combination of quick thinking, clear structures, and engaging delivery. Here are some key tips to enhance your performance. Number one, pre-speech preparation, and prepare impromptu. While impromptu speeches are by definition unprepared, proactive speech significantly improve your ability. A. Broaden your knowledge base. A wide range of knowledge provides a richer source of examples or arguments when facing unexpected topics. Read widely, stay informed on current events, and cultivate diverse interests. For B, practice regularly. Regular practice is crucial in engage. Impromptu speaking exercise such as participating in debates or casually discussing various topics with friends. The more you practice, the more you comfortable and confident you'll become. Lastly, C. Observe skilled speakers. Pay close attention to how experienced speakers structure their thoughts, use language, and engage their audience. Observe their techniques for managing nervousness and maintaining audience engagement. So, mastering these organizational and delivery strategies, coupled with regular practice, transform impromptu speaking from a daunting task into a confident and engaging skill. By consistently applying these tips, you can significantly improve your ability to deliver effective and engaging impromptu speeches. Remember, practice and experience are key to mastering this valuable communication skill. And that's all for today. Thank you.